Hello students, let's start the last part of chapter 5, Tansen. Tansen became a favorite in Akbar's court. Once he was asked to sing Rag Deepak. Tansen asked his daughter and her friend to sing Rag Megha after Rag Deepak to counteract the effect of the latter. Tansen went to Akbar's court in 1556 and soon became a great favorite of emperor. Akbar would call upon Tansen to sing at any time during the day and or night. Quite often he would just walk into Tansen's house to hear him practice. He also gave him many presents. Some of the courtiers became jealous of Tansen. So here given Tansen went to Akbar's court in 1556 and Basa Akbar liked Tansen so much that it may be day or night Akbar reached to him his place and listened to him. He also used to present a lot of gifts and valuable wealth. Thus the prosperity, even the name of the Tansen started to grow. So some of the courtiers becomes jealous of Tansen. We shall never be able to rest till Tansen is ruined, they declared. One of the courtiers, Shaukat Mian, had a bright idea. So as the name and fame of Tansen grows, this was sudden drawback for the other courtiers in the court of Basa Akbar. So they decided until Tansen was there, they cannot go ahead and reach heart of the Basa. So they knew that the music has the great power. So how will that help us? Asked another man. So Shaukat Mian had a bright idea. So he says, let us make him sing Rag Deepak, he said. How will that help us? Asked another man. So Shaukat Mian decided that or planned that he forced Tansen to sing Rag Deepak, because he knows that if Rag Deepak properly sung, then it has the power to power the air. It makes the air so hot that the singer is burned to ashes. If Rag Deepak is properly sung, it makes the air so hot that the singer is burned to ashes. Tansen is a very good singer. If he sing Rag Deepak, he will die and we will be rid of him. So Shaukat Mian knew that if Rag Deepak properly sung, then it caused the death of the singer as it burned to ashes. So as he knows Tansen was a good singer, so he sang it properly. Shaukat Mian went to Akbar and said, we do not think Tansen is a great singer. Let us test him. Tell him to sing Rag Deepak. Only the greatest singer can sing it properly. So he said to Akbar that Tansen is a great singer, and so let us test him and tell him to sing the Rag Deepak. Of course he can sing it. Tansen can sing anything, Akbar said. Tansen was afraid but could not disobey king. Very well, my lord, he said, but give me time to prepare myself. So when Akbar wanted to sing the Rag Deepak, so Tansen could not obey king and said that give me some time to prepare myself. Tansen went home. He had never been more downcast and unhappy. I can sing the raga, he told his wife, but the heat it gives off will not only set the lamp alight but it will also burn me to ashes. So Tansen went his home and said to his wife that if I sang the raga, that it not only set the lamp to alight, but it also burned me to ashes. Then he had an idea. If someone sing Rag Megha at the same time and sing it properly, it will bring rain. Perhaps our daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupati could do it, he said. Then he had also an idea and said that if someone sing Rag Megha properly, then it could save him. So he taught the two girls to sing Rag Megha. They practiced night and day for 2 weeks. Tansen told them, you must wait till the lamps start burning and then you start singing. So after that he taught the two girls to sing Rag Megha and said them and told them that you must wait till the lamps start burning, and then once the lamps start burning, you also start singing. The legend goes that on the appointed day, the whole town assembled to hear Tansen sing Rag Deepak. When he began to sing, the air became warm. Soon people in the audience were bathed in perspiration. The leaves on the trees dried up and fell to the ground. As the music continued, birds fell dead because of the heat. So when Tansen began to sing Rag Deepak, and he sang it very intensely and perfectly, that soon the audience were there bathed in perspiration, and the leaves on the trees dried up, and also birds fell dead because of the heat. And the water in the rivers also begins to boil. People cried out in terror as flame shot up out of nowhere and lighted the lamps. And also the Rag Deepak also lighted the lamps. At once Saraswati and Rupati began to sing Raga Megha. The sky clouded over and the rain came down. Tansen was saved. So when Tansen started to sing Rag Deepak, when the lighted the lamp, Saraswati and her friend started singing Rag Megha, and rain began to fall. And the rain cooled down the atmosphere, and Tansen was saved from burn down. The story goes that he was very ill after this, and Akbar was sorry that he had caused him so much suffering. So after that, Tansen became very ill, and Akbar was sorry for that, and he punished Tansen's enemies. When Tansen got well, the entire city rejoiced. Tansen remained Akbar's court singer till 1585 when he died. He composed several new ragas. So Akbar remained Tansen remained Akbar's court till 1585, and he composed several new ragas. Tansen tomb is in Gwalior, and it is a place of pilgrimage for musicians. So students, here we complete our chapter number 5, Tansen, and in the next video we will discuss about its question and answers.